So, welcome back everyone. So, we have completed the ancient period. So, today we are going to study about the medieval period. So, we'll continue from here. The medieval period. The Prithvi Narayan Shah had completed the first round of unification in 1826 BS, that is 1868 AD. The kings of the times used to rule as per the Hindu religions. The kings were used to be all in one administrations. Administrations were centralized. The kings used to be appointed their dearest person in an important position of the administrations. It was during the period when the autocratic rule of a Rana dynasty took place in the country by rendering the king powerless. The first priority in the importance positions of the administration used to be given to the six surnames Aryal, Pandey, Khanal, Pant, Bohra, and Rana, who had helped the Darabya Shah to win over the Gorkha. There was no separate provision for executive, legislative, judiciary in the period. Absolute power was vested in the kings or the Ranas. However, there were the provision of court, courtiers for obtaining the suggestions and counselations of the governance and provisions for the administration for the daily administration affair. The employee appointed to the post of the courtiers used to be comparatively near to the kings or the ranas. Guru, Chautariya, Kazis, Sardar, Kapardar, Kazanchi, Dada, Dware were in the such posts. Such posts were like administrative Dharmadikar, priest, captain, Mir Munsi, lawyer, Subba, Dhi- Dita, Kharidar, Mukhiya, Kotbal, Bichari, Daroga, Tahabi, Tahbildar, Tahbildar, Umrao, Kote, Jamdar. The major administrative works performed during these periods are as follows. First, Chandra Samsir brought into use Khadga Nisan Chhap, the seal and the signature of a Rana Prime Ministers with the pictures of the sword in 1974 VS. Bir Samsir geographically divided the country into 12 districts in the Tarai and 23 districts in the hill in 1950 BS to better manage the administrative work. Chandra Samsar established the Shrestha school to train the employees and made the arrangement in the training employees on the law, mathematics, accountancy and geography. Bhim Samsar fixed the office working hours from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and declared Saturday a public holiday. Jutta Samsar established a property fund Dravakos introduced the system of providing the pension to the army and the civil servants. Characteristics: the absolute power of the state administration was vested in the kings. The important position of administration were reserved for six surnames by the Saha kings. Their position in the Rana rules were reserved for the members of Rana family. Government employees were used to officially change and transfer every year, and they used to be paid salary in kinds, harvest, and in cash. The same official used to hold a position in the military, justice, and civil services. The absent budgets used to be deposited in the private coffers of the Rana Prime Minister. The system of sycophancy were high. Employees used to be appointed at the will of the rulers. The administrations in the particular was centralized, traditional, and individualistic. The hierarchy of the position of the Rana period in the descent orders were Prime Minister, Minister, Director General, Bada Kazi, Kazi, Sardar, Mir Suba, Suba, Naib Suba, Kharidar, Dhita, Mukhiya, Naya Mukhiya, नया मुखिया writer Bahidar. The positions of the Saha period was Qazi, the head department of the regional head, Chautariya, the regional and central head of the army personnel, Ka- Kazachi, Khazanchi, the head of government of treasure. Minister, the executive head of council, king. Sardar, the head of auditor hospital. Khapradar, the one who managed the clothes and ornament of the royal family. Mir Munshi, the one who established the relations with the neighboring of foreign country. Chowkidar, the watchman or guard. Wakil, the representative of the king in Nepal in the neighboring country. Suba, the head of the servant of the district. Dware, the guard of the government officers. Administrations offices in the offices of Rana period. Kavda Nisana Adda, the secretariat of Sri 3 office of the Prime Minister Chandra Shamsher. Munsi Khana, the office that takes care of the foreign affairs. Bhimsing Thapa Ran Bahadur Thapa Sa. Kumari Chowk, the relating to the auditing and control Prithvi Narayan Shah. Jungi Bandobasti Adda, relating to the military administration. Kamandari Kitab Khana, keeping record of the government employee. Binti Patra Niksari Adda, the apex organization doing the task related to the justice. Mulki Bandobasti Adda, the conducting administrations of the country and observing. Khandil Chowk, the managing ornament and of Jang Bahadur Rana. So we'll end this lecture and we'll continue this lecture with the modern period in the next lecture. So thank you for watching.